Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Amazon Flex driver. Amazon Flex is a gig driving job where people deliver packages using their car. The sign-up process is simple. Download the app, enter your info and pass a background check. Once approved, drivers can also deliver blocks that fit their schedule. The app tells you where to go, what packages to pick up and how to deliver them. Most deliveries are quick and easy, though apartment buildings can sometimes be tricky. The best part is flexibility. You work when you want, with no boss watching over you. Pay is usually decent, around $18 to $25 per hour, depending on location and demand. Payments are made twice a week directly to your bank. However, drivers must cover gas, car maintenance, and wear and tear. Sometimes delivery routes are far or take longer than expected. The app works well most of the time, but glitches do happen. Customer support is available but can be slow to respond. Overall, Amazon Flex is a good way to earn extra money on your own time. It's not perfect, but it's easy to start and gives freedom to work independently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.